Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Josh. Thanks for tuning in. Let's see what's going on. All right. So PC came in, some jump up and down, but nothing. Futures are flat. So we'll see what happened. The most important thing for me right now, what I see is that the 4 hour we got dark blue bars. So that means if you know TTM squeeze, whenever you get dark blue bar, it means three things: either change of direction, the slow down and the rise up, or consolidation ahead. So for now, it seems like consolidation up and down, but if the 4 hour MACD and the ES dead crosses, then it's not gonna be good. So if today at any point at open or anytime today you see some names 4 hour MACD dead crosses, then it's possible that we go down. Um, I'm not sure how big, but it can go big down. So anyhow, right now pre-market 5 is downward, 15 is pointing down, 30 pointing down, and 1 hour is already down. In general, daily is upward, but as you can see here, from here that the stochastic fast was rising up. Right now, a stochastic fast is dead crossing. So as always, a stochastic fast gives the earlier signal. General trend is up. Tomorrow is job report that has a big effect. After that, we're gonna have a clear signal what's gonna happen. I still believe personally September is gonna be bad, but we'll see what job report does, and hopefully this is not a bull trap. Maybe it's a real bull run, but we'll see. Anyhow, the NQ, the NQ same thing. 5 downward, 30 is already dead crossing, 15 downward. 4 hour MACD is curving down, and the stochastic fast is dead crossing. Again, daily is downward, same like ES. And the Dow Jones is gonna be more a little bit green today thanks to CRM. If CRM continues going up crazy, it can affect it, so keep that in mind. But TNX, TNX, it's a little bit red, but it's holding up, and you can see here 1 hour is golden crossing, 4 hour we got yellow bar. The most important thing is that the weekly we got dark blue bar. So the fear of TNX rising up crazy, it's going away for now. And until we don't have a 4 hour golden cross, the TNX probably is gonna hover around between 40 and 41.68. Once it breaks either one, can have a huge effect on the market. Breaks 41.68, rise up, it can. AMC is rising up. AMC is going to 14. Nice. So 41.68, if it breaks it, it can fly. It can cause market go down. But if it goes below 40.42, it can help market rise up. DXY at the other side is green. So if it goes above 103.676, that's gonna be not good. And right now, that's what is causing market a little bit pullback for now. Pre-market right now 5 is up, 15 is pointing up a little bit, but as you can see here, 31 hour and 4 hour they are getting bullish, and so yeah, DXY, keep an eye on it, 103.676. If it does break it and run up higher, it's not gonna be good for market. But at the other side, and keep in mind, it's possible to touch it, but then it pulls back. Weeks, the weeks is still downward on the 1 daily, and 4 hour 1373 is a major level. If it can hold it, next one is 1307. Keep in mind, the VIX low of the whole last few months was 1273. So that's a crazy level. So 1307 is a crazy level. So there is not much room for VIX to go down. That's the scary part. And if it's possible to go lower, maybe consolidate there, but there's not much room to go crazy lower. So I'm not expecting market to fly up crazy. Maybe we consolidate, maybe some names jumps, but not expecting market goes 4600, 4700 on SPX. But we'll see. SPX right now is flat opening again, 4518 is hovering around there. So job report isn't coming tomorrow. Two key level to watch tomorrow is 4577 or 4464. It can go to either one. BTC, 4 hours dead crossing, daily is golden crossing, so mixed signal there after this jump. It pulls back, it pulled back a little bit, and right now, I mean, it's just mixed signal there. The intraday right now pointing downward, but just avoiding crypto for now, I guess. Apple, ba Apple went close to 188.46 pre-market, but right now pre-market 515 is downward, 31 hours down, 4 hour we're getting the first dark blue bar. 186.45 is a key support to watch. If it can hold it, lower level can get retested. Most likely Apple is going to stay strong and was the strongest name yesterday because of the event that is coming up, and most likely will hold up. 188.46 is a key level to watch today. It was a strong yesterday jump. Pre-market it shows some strength. If it passed 188.46 today, we're looking at 190.08, 191.7. Above that, the targets are those 192, 193, 194. Amazon still lagging behind. Some big positions call I saw coming in this week, and 136 is a key level to watch. 136.19 is a major level. If it crosses that one is strong, then we're looking at, thank you very much, at 137, 139, and 140, 152. Again, a lot of names 4 hour getting dark blue bars, so gotta be cautious. Nvidia, what's interesting about Nvidia is that yesterday there was a lot of calls coming in, but they were not new positions. They were locking gains. So and yes, I'm talking about 2 days ago. And yesterday it jumped a little bit higher, but it's close to 500. So as I mentioned, let me show you guys here. A lot of names did like this. So they did like a cup. So look at Nvidia like daily. It came down and came up. So a lot of times when market create a cup, it's either two situation, either breaks out or breaks the top of the cup and goes higher, or like Apple, same thing, like it's right now at this point. So we are on the edge point like now, either break up, go higher, or consolidate, or create a cup and handle and go higher later, or god knows how long it's going to go down. So we are at this point at the edge that it's everybody's ready for anything to happen. Anyhow, Nvidia, just gotta watch the levels for today. 187, the 487.99 and 501.37. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 501 is gonna go to 511, 528 and higher level. Below 487, it can retest the lower level. Baba, daily MACD got a golden cross yesterday, and 1 hour was golden cross. But Chinese name have no respect for technicals. If it was Tesla, I would have said this is gonna gap up with this kind of chart yesterday. But here we go, it gap down a little bit lower, and it's just going from levels to levels intraday. So again, 90.56, 93.53 breaks either one. It can make a bigger move to the higher and lower level. Bidu nice jump yesterday on AI, but Bidu is a little bit far from AI, so it jumped, but it was temporary, and right now it's gapping down today. 4 hour again, it's on the edge to have a dead cross, so keep that in mind. And two key levels to watch today is 141 and 144.33. Breaks either one, it can make a bigger move. Below 141, retest 138, 137. Above 144, it can go higher level, 146, 149 and higher. Netflix is holding up strong, but again, same thing, many other names. 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar. Pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is downward. It's probably gonna jump up and down between 432, 434 and 437. Breaks either one, it can go higher and lower level. 436, 426 and 423 lower level. Breaks 437 major level, it can go to the 439, 443 and 446.77. Meta, Meta daily is curved up, but the 4 hour we're getting dark blue bar, and then light blue bar, so it's just mixed signal there. 292 major level. If that passes that one, it can have a bigger drop to the lower level. But for now, it's probably going to be just up and down below 300 and 292. So those are the levels to watch. Below 295, if you can hold it strong, 292 and lower level. But just mixed signal, not clear direction right now. Tesla did a nice run last few days, and yesterday made a jump to 260.41 level. But right now 4 hour is curved down. So another thing was interesting about Tesla, I forgot to mention yesterday live. 4 hour Tesla pre-market 2 days ago, It was about to dead cross. It was actually was dead cross. So I was even like worried about Tesla. It's just gonna go down. But as soon as it opened, it jumped. But and then it get diverted. This is something interesting. You always want to pay attention to it. If something is dead cross and then suddenly you say it's diverted, jump back up, that means change of direction and going up. So that's something interesting to always keep in mind. Anyhow, 4 hour right now is curved down. 5 15 30 is downward. So again, it's possible to do the same as it did yesterday. Some dip had open 252, 251, 252, 48, 46. Those are the next support level. But it's possible to touch down these levels, any of them. I'm not sure how far low, but then it bounce up again higher. 260.41, that's a key level to watch. Passes anytime last next few days. My target is still 270, 293. Not sure it's gonna come this week, but there's high chance comes next week. Microsoft, 4 hour that we got dark blue bar, but at the same time it's interesting that we got a light blue bar there on the daily. um, Two key levels to watch at the open today: 329, 327.41. Breaks either one, can go to the higher and lower level. 331 is a major level, 326.17 is the next major level. Breaks 331, we're looking at 333, 336, 338. Below 326, doubt it goes today, but if it does, 324, 322, 320. Google is getting very interesting. Daily MACD is golden cross, and the bars are on the rise. Weekly, we're getting a light blue bar, and 4 hour, yes, it's getting dark blue bar, but it's making a new 52 weeks high, and it's not too far away from all time high, and like 13 points, I guess, 14, 15 points, and it is high chance this one hits all time high before earning. There might be some turbulence between now and then, but next 2 3 months, keep an eye on Google. Google is getting hot. For now, yesterday was even market was dropping or pulling back in a slow motion. Google was still holding strong. So 137.92, 139.36, those are the next target. AMD is another interesting name that the daily MACD is curved up. Still, you don't have a dark blue bar on the 4 hours. So if this one confirms on daily, we're looking at 109, 108. 108 is a key level. 108.18 breaks. We're looking at 109, 110, 112. And if everything goes up, AMD should join up too. It's already went down to 100 and it held it strong. It's still not too far from it. It jumped only like, what is it right now? 106 is 6 points higher. So it does have room to go higher. Um, Boeing, Boeing need to pass 230.87 to get interesting. Below 226 for fall down. 4 hour MACD is still upward, but we got dark blue bars. So there is mixed signal, but most likely just between these two level up and down unless it breaks at any time. SPY, went as high as 452.96. If we jump right now, pre-market 5 is downward, 15 is dead cross, 30 is on the edge to dead cross, and 4 hour we get dark blue bar. So 451.18, if we can hold it, 449.14 for sure is gonna come, and if it passes 449, those are the lower level to watch. Again, if it jumps at open for any reason, if DXY pulls back, because if you see here right now, DXY, it got close to here but is pulling back. So if it DXY pulls back harder, it can make market jump up. And 452 is a key level to watch. Pre-market high 452.96. Breaks those 453, 454, 48. It's probably most likely today. It is chance it's gonna be like same like yesterday. So keep that in mind. QQQ. Pre-market 5, 1530 is downward, 1530 is just dead crossing, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour is curving down but not dead cross yet. If it goes below 375, then you should be worried. But if you see 5 minutes MACD golden cross at open and jumps up 379.77, that's the next target. Above that, those are the targets. That's pretty much it on the major names. AVGO gap up 5 points, earning after close today. 905, 908, 914, 919 is the next target there. SMCI did a nice run yesterday, but it pulled back. So if it does it again, 274, key level to watch. Past that one, 281 and higher level. MDB has an earning after close today too, 383. If it passes, looking at 388, 393. AMC jumping up, pulling back a little bit right now. AMC was very interesting. Yesterday was the first green day after this big fall, and the 4 hour starting giving starting TTM squeeze. You see here started bar that starts decreasing, and that was a sign that maybe it does a squeeze up. The short float I watch is very low. It's 12%, 16%. It's very low. So short sellers are already out. So it's just about retail buying it in. Anyhow, 1431. That's a key level to watch. If it passes 1542, 1653 is the next target. But most likely it's right now because it's pulling back pre-market is good. 5 is giving a dark blue bar. Is better maybe lock the gains at open. It's possible to pull back. What else you got here? If there's any name you're interested, let me know in the comments. CRM, good earning there. 230.61 is a key level to watch. Passes that one, it can jump up to 234. If it goes crazy, 241.31. What else you got here? Okta was crazy jump there too. 80. Next target there is 85.83. Pre-market showing some is pointing down, but if you see it open at jumps at open, 85.83 is the next target there. Let's see, DDOG, nothing exciting. mRNA shop gap up open on the news of Amazon, I believe. Yesterday it jumped after market and right now continued going higher. Looking very bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. 85 65 65.38 is pre-market high. If it passes that one, we're looking at 66.41, and 68.49 is the next target. 15 is about to dead cross, and 30 we got a dark blue bar. So it's possible maybe pull back to 64 or 63, but most likely it will revert. It's possible to reverse back, but then it jump back up later. ANET got a upgrade, so that one all-time high, I think. Yeah, it's making it actually 193.91 is the all-time high. So if it passes that one, maybe goes to 200. We'll see. That's pretty much it. Roku. Okay, let's see. Good morning, Adriana. Roku 81.66. That's a major level to watch. If it passes that one, we're looking at 82.31, 83.37, and 84.43. 4 hours upward. Pre-market right now 5:15.30 is downward. So, and you can see here it touched 81.66 and it pulled back. So that's a key level to watch. In general, weekly is upward. Daily MACD is curving up, so it does have a chance. If market stays strong, this one, if it passes 181.66, it can run to the higher level. SMCI went over it, I think. Yeah, so SMCI need to pass 274.14. Passes, that's a target, but if it goes above it, 281, 287, 296, and 306. Yeah, and AVGO has earnings, so maybe semis do a run up today. We'll see. Tesla, I went over it. Nvidia, I went over it. Google, same. PLTR. PLTR was interesting. Josh asked about it yesterday, and as soon as it opened, it jumped up. That was a very nice catch. Good job, Josh. But right now it pulled back. I think it got a downgrade or something. I mean, it got an upgrade, but from 8 to 9, so that's nothing. That sounds like a downgrade. Daily MACD is golden cross. It's all about 1643. Yesterday, it got close to it, but now because they upgraded from 8 to 9, it seems like a downgrade. So it's all about 1643. If it passes that one, and then we're looking for the higher level of 1861 and 20.8. This has a lot. This company has a lot of government contract. It's gonna survive. It's not going to zero, but in long term, it should pay off. But for now, 4 hour it's curving down, and got a gap down a little bit, 60 cents. So be cautious. It does wild moves. Yep, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much for tuning in. Best of luck today. And as always, if you like levels, chartwiser.com. If you want the sale option service, you can sign up for there. Best of luck. Thank you so much.